The White Eyes Fishing Channel is all about tough fishing spots, coastal ledges, rough surf, and chasing big fish in wild, unpredictable places. On this trip, he was rock fishing with friends, soaking in the spray of the waves and the rhythm of casting into the swell. But then, out of nowhere, the ocean's mood shifted.
Oi, I don't reckon you're getting it. Oi, I'm putting on a what's it called? Oi, 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 don't! He's in the water, bro! Oi, Reed! Dude, just try to swim towards us, bro. Oi, oi. Chuck us a pole. Oi, you just be on wave watch. Oi, hold that. Go, just climb yourself up. Oh! Oi. Dude. Oi, big one. You're gonna have to come up, dude. Try come up. Hold that. Oh, dude, you. It's all good. Don't worry about the rod. It's just. Here, hold this. Go, climb. All right, try get a foot grip. Just try get a foot grip. Come on, brother. Oh. Go. Start coming up. Oh, I got you. Sam, bro. Dude. Grab rod. Starts. Just don't panic. Oi. Just come this way. Dude! Come up here. Or you're gonna need to come this way, man. Reed, come this way. Swim out here. Just swim out here, man. Sam, get ready. Just swim up. I reckon just try climb the rocks. Here, you up, yup. Go. Just start climbing. You gotta swim this way.
Just stay calm.
Just stay calm, that's all you can do. Can't jump in, because if we jump in, we're all... This is... Oi, come close. But try come right, because you'll get slammed here. He needs to get a foot here, and as soon as he gets a foot here, he's asleep. I know. Come right. Go grab it.
Go back.
Huh? Go back. Go, get good foot in, just hold on to this and let it ground you. Go, stand on that. Go. Oi, dude. Just go, stand. Have a quick, have a climb. Holy.
A powerful surge slammed into them, pulling everyone toward the edge. It was a seriously dangerous moment that could have ended badly. They managed to pull one friend out, while another almost got dragged in too. The guy ended up with cuts and bruises, but swam to safety on pure adrenaline.